Can you imagine that the key to restoring your joint health might be in your own kitchen? Many people over 60 believe that when knee pain starts, the only options left are to accept a life with limited mobility, take daily medications, or even undergo surgery. However, today I want to share with you valuable information that could completely change the way you care for your joints. A renowned orthopedist, with over 8 decades of life and decades of experience, claims that certain natural foods can trigger cartilage regeneration much faster than you might think. Before we begin, let us know in the comments how old you are and from which city you're watching. Your participation helps us create more helpful content for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more health and wellness tips that can make a real difference in your life and in the lives of your loved ones. Let's get started. First food, chicken bone broth. More than just a traditional soup, this broth becomes a powerful ally for your joints when simmered slowly for at least 8 hours. During this time, the bones release collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, all essential for rebuilding cartilage and keeping joints strong. Adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar during cooking helps extract minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health. Drinking 1 cup daily can reduce stiffness, improve mobility, and decrease inflammation within just a few weeks. Second food, extra virgin olive oil. This oil, especially in its cold-pressed extra virgin form, is rich in oleocanthal, a compound with anti-inflammatory effects comparable to certain medications, but without the side effects. It also contains vitamin E and antioxidants that protect cartilage cells from wear and aging. Incorporating 1 tablespoon per day, raw, on salads, steamed vegetables, or whole grain bread, can improve joint lubrication and relieve discomfort caused by chronic inflammation. Third food, salmon. This oily fish is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which fight inflammation and support the healing of damaged cartilage. It is also rich in high-quality protein, needed to produce collagen, and in vitamins D and B12, which strengthen bones and improve muscle function. Eating wild-caught salmon 2 to 3 times a week can result in less stiffness, better mobility, and reduced joint pain. Fourth food, broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse thanks to sulforaphane, a compound that protects cartilage and slows down its degradation. It's also an excellent source of vitamin C, key for collagen synthesis, vitamin K, important for bone health, fiber, and plant-based protein. Eating broccoli regularly, steamed, in salads or sautéed, can help reduce morning stiffness, improve range of motion, and prevent joint degeneration over time. Fifth food, black beans. These legumes are not only rich in plant-based protein, essential for tissue repair, but also contain magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals vital for collagen production and cartilage maintenance. They also offer anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Including black beans in soups, stews, or salads can improve circulation, reduce joint pain, and support overall joint structure. Sixth food, kale. More than just a leafy green, kale is a concentrated source of vitamin K and calcium, key nutrients for bone and joint health. Vitamin K plays a crucial role. It directs calcium to the bones, preventing it from depositing in soft tissues or blood vessels, where it could cause harm. In addition, kale has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a natural ally for reducing joint discomfort and preventing cartilage wear. It also enhances the absorption of other minerals, boosting the benefits of a balanced diet. It can be eaten raw in salads, steamed, sautéed, blended into green smoothies, or even baked into chips. Seventh food, orange. Famous for its refreshing taste, the orange is a powerful regenerative food thanks to its high vitamin C content, essential for the synthesis of collagen, the protein that forms cartilage. It also provides bioflavonoids, which enhance vitamin C's antioxidant effects and help reduce oxidative stress, one of the main causes of joint deterioration. Moreover, it improves the absorption of iron and zinc, minerals that also support joint regeneration. Consumed as fresh fruit or natural juice, it's an accessible, delicious, and highly beneficial option. Eighth food, sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious and functional root vegetable. They contain beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for stimulating cell renewal, helping repair tissues like cartilage. They're also rich in vitamin C to support collagen formation, and in fiber, which aids digestion and nutrient absorption. Their natural anti-inflammatory effect helps reduce joint discomfort without disrupting metabolism, as they help keep blood sugar levels stable, a key factor in avoiding systemic inflammation. They can be enjoyed roasted, steamed, mashed, or in stews, ideally with the skin on to retain all their nutrients. Ninth food. Blueberry. These small, deep blue fruits are powerful joint protectors. Thanks to their high anthocyanin content, they offer strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds neutralize free radicals that damage cartilage and help create an ideal environment for regeneration. Blueberries also improve microcirculation, especially in the tiny blood vessels that nourish joint tissue, ensuring better oxygen and nutrient delivery. With regular consumption, in yogurt, smoothies, salads, or on their own, many people notice less stiffness and better mobility in just a few weeks. In summary, you don't need to resort to expensive, invasive treatments or medications with side effects to improve your joint health. The solution may lie in smart, mindful eating. By including these foods in your daily diet, you can stimulate cartilage regeneration and reclaim the freedom of movement you thought you had lost. And that's it for today's video. Now tell me, which of these foods do you already eat? Which one will you add to your diet starting today? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this content helpful, share it with your friends and family. Someone close to you might need this information too. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to keep receiving valuable tips that can transform your daily life. See you in the next video.